Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for framework and automation software, you're in the right place. We're having a look at Pydantic AI. We're also going to have a look at Langchain. We're going to put them head to head and see what they actually do for you. So let's dive in. So just to understand what Pydantic actually is. Pydantic AI is a framework that is built on the popular Pydantic data validation library that enables type-safe structured integrations with large language models by simplifying the building of AI agents with predictable, validated outputs. It's become the framework of choice for companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Langchain for production-grade reliability. Some of their core features include their model. So you can define expected input and output schemas with pedantic base models, ensuring your AI interactions follow strictly typed patterns. You can also encapsulate reusable AI-powered functions and logic into composable, testable components, which is really helpful. And you can also compose multi-tools into complex workflows seamlessly with a built-in error handling option. You can also automatically validate and retry mechanisms that prevent model output drift. And this, of course, will ensure reliability. The last thing over here is their type-safe and validation. So the foundation of Pydantic's AI. So at its core, Pydantic AI leverages the Pydantic's robust data validation capabilities, as we've mentioned earlier, and this ensures output from large language models conform to precisely defined schemas. It also eliminates unpredictable behavior, making AI interactions more reliable and a little bit more structured. Some of the things that you can expect is the ability to automatically validate data types, ranges, and structures. You can significantly reduce parsing errors and unpredictable behavior. You can enable reliable, structured interactions with your AI systems. And then it's crucial for building robust and production-ready AI applications straight out of the door. Let's have a look at Langchain now. So Langchain actually is a modular LLM application framework. Langchain is very powerful. It's designed for building complex, context-aware LLM applications, including sophisticated workflows, intelligent chatbots, and autonomous agents. So it comes with a modular architecture. So you can chain together prompts, tools, and agents across different LLM providers to create complex application logic with reusable components. It also has vector database integration, so you can seamlessly connect with popular vector databases like Pinecone and Weaviate for enhanced knowledge retrieval capabilities. And it has the option to build multi-step processes that coordinate between different LLMs and tools to accomplish very complex or more complex tasks. You can also see that it has some core modules and extensibility, so it connects to multiple LLMs through a unified API, abstracting away provider-specific implementation details. It also allows you to create structured, reusable prompt designs that can be parameterized and shared across application components. And you can implement task-solving agents with both short-term context and long-term memory capabilities. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is their retrieval, augmented generation, and their data pipelines. So they have flexible data storage options for storing and indexing documents, texts, and embedding in various vector bases. It has enhanced responses using retrieved information, supporting autonomous agents, API calls, and code execution. You can process and convert data between formats, including chunking, summarizing, and also embedding generation. It has a semantic search capability to find relevant information based on context and query similarity. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, what a head-to-head comparison. Now, my takeaway is always to go ahead and use the software, use multiple, and see what actually works for your specific situation, your specific scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.